Oh, he just took a tumble.
You just eat shit?
Yeah, one of the IOF took a tumble in the cockpit.
Fethullah! Telefonu. Fethullah abi. Denize atıyorum. Allah.
Oh, they're throwing shit. Now the IDF is throwing shit off of the boat. I guess they're throwing the aid off. Do they know they're being filmed? Does it matter?